My wife seems to think it does.
This is the ground floor. Going up stairs. On the outside. This is the ground floor sala.
Bedroom, yung palang bedroom.
With one toilet and bath.
Yung bedroom daw, yung bedroom. Kita daw ang daan. Bedroom pala yan. Ito.
This is the master bedroom. Overlooking the pool, garden, and another. Yun, another bathroom and bath. Hello, sir. This is the owner of the house, Ralph Solander.
Hi.
This is, what is this, sir?
What is this?
Bedroom.
Another storeroom. Oh, no, it's not. Dressing room. What is that, sir?
That's plumbing,
It's a plumbing, and that is the
electricity,
electricity.
and that's a spa.
That means this is a place for a spa.
Right. Now
Yeah.
here.
And this is the toilet,
Now look,
the shower room.
if you put the spa there, here's what you do. You make the closet here and here.
Yeah,
See?
yes.
And there's a fireplace
And then there is a fireplace from the ground floor
all the way up.
and another at the second floor. Fireplace.
It's nicer. It
Yeah.
expires. It's nice. You're not eating that, right?
This is the garden from the ground floor. That is the house of Derek Ramsey, and this is overlooking the pool. The pool is by the lake, overlooking the lake. The main view of the pool, the full view of the pool. There, with the garden. And that is the house. We are on the ground floor, and that is the second, third, with the rooftop. Through the spiral staircase at the side of the house. Oo nga. Ay, kikay mo. Ay. Nadapa ako. This is the side view of the house with the garden. That stair is going to the rooftop. Oo. This is the pathway going to the ground floor kitchen. Yeah. There is a mini garden from the pool going to the kitchen. This is the kitchen from the This is the mini kitchen from the swimming pool with one bathroom and dressing room.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hello. And this is another dining room.
Ito kitchen talaga.
Oh, yan ang main kitchen.
Nililinis pa. Oo.
Okay. And we have a mini fountain here on the hallway. This hallway is going to the sala. If you're gonna pass by the side of the house, and this is the main sala, the master bedroom. Wow. Another expansion for another toilet and bath. All floor are overlooking by at the Taal Lake. Another wash area. And this stair is going to the ground floor. And I'm going to the main floor.
Ayun, nagay na lang daw ko muna sa ano. Magkakaliya kang kasama din. Ano eh?
This comfort room and the storeroom. Mamaya patay, pag namatay ito, the dining room from the ground floor. This is the main floor and with the bar. The main first floor is overlooking Taal and swimming pool. House of Derek Ramsey. The full view of the house, the sala and the bar counter. Hindi ko alam to, darling.
Ikutin mo lang gitna.
Sino kakausap sa kay Jaya?
Wala
Pagkatapos
dito.
niya mag-usap na lang.
Nakikinig siya mo eh. Ay, sabi na ito kayo sa'yo.
This is the side view from the main sala of first floor. The spiral staircase going up to the rooftop. And here is I am at the floor. Fourth. 1, 2, 3. I'm at the rooftop of the house. And this is the house of as Daisy Pana Serrano. The pool rooftop. Overlooking the Taal Lake and the swimming pool from the ground floor. Going to the west of the rooftop is the main road. The main road connecting Tagaytay and Talisay, Batangas. And I'm going down very high. Going down to the main sala of the first floor. This is the side of the house.
So you mean we are going to relocate?
This is the main entrance hall. from the highway. That is the garage on the side or front side of the house.
Kaya na lang kaduling.
With another garage at the side. O sige, tawagan nyo na. This is the another garage in front of the house. How many toilet and bath?
Parking. Two
Another. They have two parking
there, and
in
here
front side of the house.
here's one. Two there,
Yes.
and four here.
Another parking in the front.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's 9.
9. Okay. This road is the Tagaytay, Talisay, Batangas Road. O sige, tawagan niya na.
Bakit sa YouTube ka? Paano doon nakita ng bata? Sa YouTube mismo. Sa YouTube. YouTube.
Na YouTube. Na YouTube.
Na YouTube.
Picture na.
Oo.
Yun. Ang kusina nila. Down. Yung kinamami na kain.
The front view of the garage of the house. Okay. This is the front garage before entering the house. And another parking area for the visitors. And another parking area at the side, north side of the house. Two parking area at both sides of the house. The side of the house going to the pool from the entry gate. This is the entry gate from the highway going down to the kitchen, to the second floor, to the swimming pool. Staircase going to the second floor, overlooking the front grand garden of the house. Wala ako eh. Oh, sige. Oo. Another staircase going to the ground floor, to the pool.
Hindi ko alam yung lalay ko. Ay, hindi. Hindi tayo makakawin ng lalay. Makakawin. Ano ating... Sige. Ma'am, ako ka na. Sige. Sige. Tagalog ka!
toilet and bath nito ulit? Nalimutan ko.
Alin?
Toilet and bath.
9 bedrooms.
Nine-
9
nine-
bedrooms. Pero, ilang CR sa baba? 3 eh. Tatlo. Plus dito,
Six.
dalawa.
14.
Ay, 3. Isa, dalawa, 3 sa loob. 3 din. 6.
6.
Plus sa taas. 9 na.
9 toilet and bath. 9 bedroom.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
When you want to relax outside the house, at the second floor. O sige, usap na sila. The front deck of the sala at the second floor.